I represent Ford Otosan. Ford Otosan is a joint venture of Ford Motor Company and Koç Holding in Turkey. We design and manufacture commercial vehicles of Ford, all the heavy-duty trucks, light commercial vehicles, passenger cars, engines, transmissions, all kinds of powertrain components that we need especially in the heavy-duty side. We have 3 factories in Turkey and 1 factory in Romania. Nearly 2,000 research engineers in our R&D center in Istanbul. And we take part in mostly public-funded R&D projects right now in the Horizon Europe program. We have started Horizon and framework program, let's say, with Horizon 2020, and that was 8 years ago. Right now we have 34 funded projects in Horizon 2020 and Horizon Europe, so 20 of them in Horizon 2020 and 14 of them in Horizon Europe. And we are trying to increase these numbers and the capacity because we have lots more that we can do together with all the partners in Europe. The latest project that we have is going to kick off on January 2024. It is about an L-type micromobility vehicle, four-wheel micromobility vehicle of Europe. So we aim to develop both people-carrying and goods-carrying vehicle or vehicle family of micromobility vehicles. Its name is ZEVAP project, which we are proud of being a partner. As any automotive OEM, we have many areas that we need to work on, starting from autonomous driving, electrification, energy economy, so fuel and electrification. Due to electrification, it's energy economy now. All kinds of safety aspects, lightweighting. So these are any classical automotive OEM right now is working on. Apart from these, as Ford Otosan is the largest manufacturing company in Turkey, so we also try to focus on R&D areas in manufacturing domains. Actually, Horizon program gave us very good opportunities to meet with many companies, many partners. That might be universities or companies or even NGOs, which normally we wouldn't have met. And that is something even sometimes more important than the public funding that we get. What we are looking for or who we are looking for changes from project and topic to topic, but we are definitely very interested in meeting with new R&D partners, which may later on be our commercial partners as well. But first of all, we need good R&D partners to develop our future world together.
Zorlu Enerji is an international integrated company which has more than 25 years of experience of the electric production and the distribution, and from the renewable energy sources such as the geothermal, wind, solar and hydropower. We are the operator of the 4 geothermal energy power plant, 7 hydroelectric power plant, 2 wind farms and 1 solar power plant. And beside this area, it's ZES brand. The company aims to accelerate the popularization of the electric vehicles and to facilitate the charging stations commissioned in city roads and the highways. In addition, Zorlu Enerji distributes natural gas more than 1 million people in 5 different states. And we have been carrying out the R&D projects since 2018, and now we have 7 ongoing projects and 3 completed projects in cooperation with more than 100 partners from the 20 different countries. And Zorlu Enerji is utilizing the high capacity of production power, well-balanced portfolio, and diversity sources and capability of the to create innovative solutions to be a leading part of the global energy transformation. We are currently engaged in the 4 Horizon 2020, 1 Erenat Geothermica and the 2 Horizon Europe project within the Zorlu Enerji. Our involvement in the renewable energy sources, both as an investor and operator, has equipped us with a valuable experience and knowledge. And specifically focused on the hydrogen, our domestic electrolyzer production project is in the evaluation process within the scope of the calls published by the Turkish Energy, Nuclear and the Mining Authority. And simultaneously we continue to be involved in many consortium in which we can take part in the hydrogen production. Yeah. The project that comes to our minds when a question is asked is the GECO project. We take a pride in the successful demonstration of the GECO, which is motivate us to for the future projects. And to briefly explain it, the GECO, which stands for the Geothermal Emission Control, is a project that aims to reduce the geothermal emissions that are caused by the geothermal fluid from the reservoir. Carbon capture, storage and utilization was the main part of the GECO actually, and we have succeeded and even passed our goals. And we are able to re-inject 1,000 tons of carbon dioxide in a 6-month period. And we proved that the carbon dioxide storage can be achieved with the system we designed for during the GECO project. Currently researching initiatives in various fields. Our focus extends to hybrid systems integrated with our power plants. And furthermore, we are dedicated to researching the power plant optimization, digitalizations, and implementation of the digital twins technologies, green hydrogen, carbon capture, utilization and storage, as well as the extraction of the precious metals and the energy storage technologies. These areas comprise the key topics on our current agenda. We have extensive experience in various fields, various renewable energy sectors, and particularly geothermal, wind and hydropower. And we are eager to share our knowledge and engage in the hydrogen projects, aim at producing producing this resource from the renewables, such as the geothermal. Within this framework, we can either join a consortium or we can take the lead in forming creating a consortium at the beginning. And we are open to collaboration in project with high technology transfer level and the low technology transfer level. And our ultimate objective is to establish a collaborative network that all stages of the hydrogen production, transportation, and the storage process.
My name is Ozgur Çolpan. I'm from 9 Eylül University. I'm a faculty member in the Mechanical Engineering Department. So the university is one of the public research universities in Turkey, and there are more than 70,000 students, and many faculties, institutions, and research centers are also in the university. and we are also a member of the Hydrogen Europe Research. If we talk about the European frameworks, I was involved in Marie Skłodowskiej-Curie actions because I did my PhD and postdoc in Canada. Then I moved back to Turkey in 2012. Then at that time I wrote a proposal to that program, Marie Skłodowskiej-Curie Action Individual Fellowship, and the project was on flowing electrolyte direct methanol fuel cell development. And I did my secondment in Forschungszentrum Jülich in Germany for 3 months also within the project. I also involved in some roles such as scientific monitor in some European projects. But other than European projects, of course, I have a lot of experience in TÜBİTAK projects, which is the national funding organization in Turkey. Also, I have many experience in university-funded projects. Some are very large, some are small. But I acted as a supervisor, principal investigator, researcher, and also consultant on those projects. Okay, I will talk about the latest project I'm involved in. In the latest project, I'm involved in actually more on the transportation applications, both for land and marine applications. And in those applications, we are trying to develop fuel cell electric vehicle, and our main interest is the thermal management, also the energy management development of those systems. In terms of thermal management, we are using metal hydride hydrogen tanks. So we are trying to use different techniques such as phase change material or air coming from the fuel cell exhaust as the heat input. And also we are trying to optimize the energy interaction between the battery fuel cell and also hydrogen tank so that we can maximize the range of the system. Okay, I'm a mechanical engineer, so I'm more interested in mathematical modeling, simulation and optimization studies more, and also some techno-economic analysis. In terms of component level modeling, I do multi-physics modeling on fuel cells, electrolyzers, and hydrogen tank. And also in the system level, we do integrated energy system modeling. So basically like energy, exergy, thermoeconomic, and also techno-economic analysis of the systems we are interested in. And I'm also currently interested in anion exchange membrane electrolyzers. So we have also a project on that. So my role in that project is also doing the mathematical modeling of the electrolyzer. So I am looking to be a partner in a consortium on an upcoming call. And as our expertise, or my expertise is more on the modeling and simulation part, so I want to get involved in doing the modeling simulation of a fuel cell, electrolyzer, or a hydrogen tank again in an integrated system. And maybe we have also a project or a project idea on unmanned aerial vehicles. So we want to expand our expertise from land and marine transportation to aerial applications. And I also want to get involved in aerial applications, to hydrogen-powered aerial applications. We also have a lot of collaborations in Turkey. There are some big companies in aviation who are interested in this area. So the university and those big companies in Turkey, getting those big companies in Turkey, we want to join a consortium in an European Union project.